Pecans. Pecans in the South are very popular around the holidays. They're used in sweet potato casserole. They're used in a pie by itself, a pecan pie. You can do a cranberry pecan pie. You can do a chocolate pecan pie, all of which my wife has done. And they can be used in toppings in all sorts of stuff. You can put them in chicken salad, a variety of things. To get the most out of a nut, most recipes call for you toasting the nuts. Makes sense. Releases some of the oils, increases the flavor, helps caramelize some sugars, etc. so forth. I would additionally recommend, if you're using pecans, to wash them. Now that sounds weird, but with the bitters, it will help remove the bitters from the meat, which is just going to give you that much better quality of flavor, in my opinion. So the pecans that we have this year came from a friend who works in and around the pecan industry. These have been cleaned, they've been blown clean, and I trust this person. However, I'm still going to wash them. So as mentioned earlier, these pecans are fairly clean. I trust who I got them from, but we're going to soak them anyway. If you don't have a 2-quart mixing cup, you need to go to an estate sale and see if you can find one, because that's a quart, that's 2 quarts. Big difference. Well, it's twice as large. Anyway, so put the pecans in a vessel. I put it in here because we'll be able to see on the white table any dendritis, and just covered it with water. We're going to let it sit for 20 or 30 minutes, but you can already see the color that's in the water. Alright, so it's been about 30 minutes, and just to show you how cloudy the water is, that is stuff that came off of the pecans. I'm going to give them a swirl and scoop them out, and we'll look at the rest, what remains. Alright, so you can see the water is brown, and that is the stuff that is washed off of the very clean pecans. Additionally, a benefit to this is if you have any bad pecans, they may look good, but they're not good. They'll sink. Okay, so the dark brown particles on the bottom are the bitters that fell. The darkness in the water itself was caused from bitter particles that just washed off. Okay, so the first wash of the pecans I let go for 30 minutes because I lost track of time because we're prepping for Thanksgiving. So I just put them back in the measuring cup and poured some water over the top, and you can see that the water is still a bit murky. So I'm just gonna swish these around and let these drain. Oh, my pecans are soggy. Doesn't matter, you're gonna roast them anyway. You want good flavor, you're gonna roast your pecans. So this should be good. Oh, and there is a piece of a bitter that was stuck. So swish them around, drain them off. You could do this again if you did not like the color of the water, but I'm gonna feel good with that. So there's the second wash, just a little murky, not nearly as brown, some additional particles floating. So I think the second wash was warranted. And now we're gonna roast them and make pies. Good eating. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.